At the martial arts competition held on 13th February 2021 in Guwahati, the participants from the FERDY School of Martial Arts and Revolution Mixed Martial Arts had won 6 gold and 5 silver medals in different categories of the competition. In the JUJITSU category, winners include SAMBORMI LYNGDOH, PYNSHNGAIN BAREH and WELFORD NONGKHLAW, while in the K1 ring fight, both clubs won 4 gold and 4 silver medals. The team was led by coach SAMBORMI LYNGDOH and manager Steve LALOO.
Jam support ah. Jai ne mamangan. Jai ne. So
Yeah, good.
Yang mangan, hey, yang
Tight, body tight. Body tight.
Tuk timi ham, hey. Amle am tu timi. Boha, boha, eh. Boha, yow. Hey, to.